Hey guys, we're back with the Hartley 10 or Bluebeard, and we're gonna de-rig it. James has just gone sailing for us. And now we're gonna de-rig it. So we're gonna take the sail off. So remember, this is the clue. We're gonna undo the sail from the out haul, and we're gonna let the sail down nice. The boom down nice and slowly. Now we're gonna undo the down haul. Come out through the tack of the sail corner. Now we're gonna loosen the main halyard. Take this out because it's gonna need to be loose. Now the sail is gonna come down through the luff groove. You're just gonna nicely bring it down into the boat, not to get it wet. It's okay if it does. Coming down. Now we're gonna undo the halyard from the head of the sail. Undo this loop and come through. Nice. Now, to keep we can take the boom off. To keep the boat nice, we can put this halyard and make sure they're not tangled. Look up. And then we're just going to keep this right here. And then we can coil this. Well, actually, there's not much to coil. We can just tighten it with this. And then do a little small coil and put it in the elastic. Now we go over and we will fold the sail in the sands. And that's when we pull it up and tie it up. You should be sailing.